What up, everyone? In this video, I am going to be continuing to work on our Deluxe Adventure game, and I am going to be adding in doors that block our way to these other entrances and start putting in a chest with a key that we can collect to unlock doors. I also, off screen, got a better way to load some of these images in so they're not all being loaded all at once and it doesn't fry a bunch of memory. So let's go ahead and jump into the code. So the way I did the loading of the images now, I only have the rectangle as a parent class, so I don't have to type a bunch of stuff. And then the image will just be simply loaded depending on what the top left bottom is. And then we will all load the images, all the walls as we switch rooms and etc. So the first thing I want to do is add in our door. So we'll tell it, we'll go ahead and actually just copy this pretty much. And this time we need to tell it it's door number 1. And then instead of the left wall, we need our locked door PNG, which is over here. All right, now that's all we need. It has the image and everything like that already in there, and we are using the rectangle up here. And this is just going to load our walls, and then this will load and draw the walls. This will add the collision, and then this puts it all together onto the screen, which is pretty convenient, and it's much better than the way I did it in the other game. It's faster and easier this way. So now I need just to we're going to make a note right here, and we're going to call this doors. And now we're going to go door 1 is equal to walls, and then our x coordinate is going to be 0, and then 305, and then we want this by 32 and 170. And then our direction is going to be door 1, just so it knows what image to load there. And now if we come down into here in our starting room, the things that we want to draw in our starting room, we will just come up here and we will add them to, we will draw our door 1 on the screen, and that's going to take our screen and our player. And then we need to add it to the group, so it's going to go hit underscore walls, and we need to add door 1. All right, so let's go ahead and run the code, see if we have a door there. Okay, we still have collision to our walls. Do we have collision on the door? And there we go. We have our door locking our dungeon. Let's go ahead and add in the other 2 doors while we're at it. So you have to go up when you very first start and go to room number 2. And jump back to our levels, come up here to our wall, and then we're going to go door 2 is equal to walls, and that is at 530, and then our height minus 32, and then the width of it needs to be a little longer, and that's 155, and now our height will be 32. And then this will be We'll just call it door 1 as well, so it knows what image to load. And then we will, just to kind of see how everything is going to look. And our door 3 is going to be the width of our screen minus 32, and then the height is going to be 325. The width is going to be 32, and then our height will be 155. And then once again, it'll just be door 1. Okay. So we can put this into a list now. So we'll call this room 1 underscore doors. And this will be door 1, door 2, and door 3. Just like that. Okay, and now we'll jump back down in here. And for our hit walls, we need to add our room 1 underscore doors. And now we need to add the doors. So we'll go for D in room 1 underscore doors. We want to go D dot walls and then screen and player. Okay, so now this should still add all our doors into the list, and now this should add. All right, let's run that. And all our doors kind of look goofy, but they're there. They are indeed there. So that forces us to go up. Okay. I want to see something really fast. And if I go room 1 score list, and then we take this out of here. Okay. Now we still have collision on all our walls. Very nice. Not this one for some reason though. Okay, so we have our doors in our first room loaded and blocking us off. Let's go ahead and make a class for our collectibles, which will be chests, maybe money or potions or etc. So where are we gonna put this? Man, these things are getting so long already. So let's collapse the walls and doors. Let's just put it up here. Okay, so we're gonna make class, and we're going to call this collectibles. Where is it? Where? Background wall. There it is. COLLC collectibles. And then this is going to need our pygame dot sprite dot sprite, and then it also is going to need our rectangle. And now we need to go self.init. No, define underscore init underscore self. And then we want our x, y, our width, and a height. And for this, we're going to want collected or not. Okay, so we got that. And now we need to go Pygame and then initiate that. And then we need to go rectangle dot underscore underscore init underscore underscore, and then we need to go self x y w and height. So that is all activated, and now we just need to go self.collected is equal to collected. Okay, there we go. We're going to do the same loading process as our others. So we're going to say self.image is none, and then we'll go self.mask is none, because we will put that into our load, and then we just want a rectangle to be a Pygame rectangle. So Pygame dot rectangle, and then self dot x width. Okay, so now that's our collectible, and the very first function we'll have to do is to load image. Okay, so we'll go self. That should work. Do we need a direction on this or a level? Maybe. Let's just put an ID on there. So up here will be, I forgot to put collected anyways, and I forgot to, maybe I still need to put the XY up here too. So XY, I think we still need to do this anyways. We just don't have to type it out. So collected, and then we're going to put ID. Oh, no, we can't do ID. We'll just put ident. And so that way we know what image we can kind of and we're just going to tell it that is spelled right, so it can get over it. Oh, I don't want to do that. So maybe identity, let's see if we can just, yeah, there we go. Nope, that still didn't like it. It's fine, I just don't like, I don't understand. Maybe I shouldn't use that. That's gonna start mixing things up. You know what, we'll just put D again, I guess. Self.d is D. Oh, whoops. Oh, I put that in the wrong one. Whoopsies. There we go. Oh, okay. So now that we have it, because the direction will help us load it. So if self dot image is none, I forgot the dot. Self.image is none, and self.d is equal to, we're going to say chest. Actually, for now, since we're running out of time, we're just going to put key. We will go self.image is equal to pygame.image.load, and then we want to join the collectible collectible, and then the key, PNG. All right, there we go. And now we're going to convert this. Okay. And now we'll go self.image get color key or set color key. Not set clip, color key. And then 255, 255, 255. That is the white. Okay. And there is our load, our image. I don't know if we need to do anything with transform on it yet. So there is how we are going to load the image. And now we need to draw our image on the screen. So we need screen. And we're probably going to need our player in the long run, but we'll probably have to add collision to the key in another video. So this will just go self.load image. And then we're going to go screen.bullet self.image with self.rect. Okay, so now we have a way to load our image. Now we have a way to draw that image on the screen. Now we just need the instance of it. So we're going to call this, just for now, key 1 is equal to collectibles. And we need, this will have a coordinate of 480, 25, and then 64 by 32, no, 32 by 64. By 64, and then collected will be 0 for now, and then we call this key. Okay, so let's go ahead and add that key to room 2. And I mean, yeah, under here on room 2. Okay. Where is it? Right here. And we will go ahead and call key 1 dot draw. And we're going to need our screen for now. Okay, let's go ahead and put that on the screen. Has Pygame module has no attribute rectangle. What did I do wrong? Up here under our collectibles. Oh, okay. Well, I do it in that order. What did I do wrong? Huh? Self.rect Pygame rectangle. Oh, whoops. Rect. There we go. So Pygame rect. Now we should be able to put that on the screen. Okay, so our doors are still there. And there is our key. Okay, I think that is where we're going to end this video. In the next video, we will be adding the chest that has that key, and we will be able to open that chest to get the cheat key, and maybe we will go ahead and have it unlock one of the doors. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.